So, hello students, my name is Shahrukh Khan and today we are going to discuss about polynomials. It is a first chapter, it is chapter 1 of class 10th. So first of all we will discuss with some basics. ठीक है, पहले हम लोग थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे थोड़ा सा बेसिक्स, then we will move on to the exercise and we will discuss some questions. Okay, so first of all, as the name of the chapter is polynomial, so the name of the chapter is polynomial means first of all we have to understand what is polynomial. Okay, so we will start with the definition of polynomial. This is a short and sweet definition of polynomial. Polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficient. This is a simple and short definition of polynomial, that polynomial is an expression. polynomial क्या है? एक expression है. ठीक है, we will discuss what is expression. Consisting of variables, मतलब उस expression में क्या है? We have some variables. फिर हम लोग देखेंगे what are variables and coefficient, and we also have to know about the coefficient. These three are main important points which we have to know, then only we will able to understand what do you mean by polynomial. Then we will discuss about the operations which can be performed in the polynomial. So in the definition we came across three words. First one was expression, second one was variable, and third one is coefficient. Okay, the first one is expression. Expression is a combination of terms. Okay, combination of terms. How's that? Example, x plus 2 is the expression, x square plus 3x plus 5, this is also an expression. Means whatever you see any variables, okay, the combination of variables along with the operations, okay, and we don't have any equal sign. इसमें इक्वल टू का साइन नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये क्या है? एक्सप्रेशन है. अगर इसमें इक्वल टू का साइन आ जाता है तो क्या बन जाता है? दैट बिकम्स इक्वेशन. सो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इक्वेशन एंड एक्सप्रेशन इज दैट इन द एक्सप्रेशन वी डोंट सी एनी इक्वल टू साइन. इक्वल टू का साइन नहीं रहता. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स सेकेंड point which we have seen the definition, that is variables. Variables means it can be any alphabet. In English we have 26 alphabets from A to Z. So from A to Z any alphabets can be used in the form of expression, that is known as variable. Suppose 2a, a is a variable. 5x square, x is a variable. 3t cube, t is alphabet, so t is a variable. So any alphabet from A to Z, all the 26 alphabet can be variable. Okay, mostly we will find A, X, Y, Z mostly. Okay, but any alphabet can be the variable. So it's not always that X will be always variable. A is also variable, Z is also variable, T is also variable, P is also variable. Any alphabet from all the, we have the 26 alphabets from A to 26. So 26 variables we can have. Okay, next comes about the coefficient. Suppose I have written 2x, the number which is multiplied with the number with the variable. ठीक है, वेरिएबल के साथ जो नंबर होता है वही उसका क्या होता है? कोएफिशिएंट. हियर वी हैव, दिस इज ए वेरिएबल, x is a variable, 2 is a coefficient. Suppose 5x cube, x is a variable and the number which is followed, that is 5. So this is a coefficient. Okay, so coefficient, it's not compulsory that always it will be positive. Okay, it can be positive, it can be negative. For example, one more example I will take, minus 2y. So y is a variable and which number it has? Minus 2. So minus 2 is the coefficient of y. Or sometimes if you don't see any number, suppose x is a variable and you will say no number is written with the x, so what will be the coefficient? If it is written as a single x, it is not a single x, it is always 1x. वी डोंट राइट एक्स, हम लोग वन यहाँ पे नहीं लिखते हैं, दैट इज अनदर थिंग. Okay, we don't write 1, but if it is written x means it is 1x. So that is why what is the coefficient of x? 1. If it is written y means what is the coefficient of y? 1. If it is written x की power 4, x to the power 4, what is the coefficient? 1. Okay, so I hope you have understood about the expression variables and coefficient. So now we will followed with the identifying the polynomials. The next most important thing is to identify the polynomial. Okay, polynomial means that's a series of terms. Okay, suppose x square plus x plus 2, this is a polynomial. If you will say 5x square plus 3x plus 7, this is also a polynomial. But what are the most important things which you have to see whether it is a polynomial or not? ठीक है, polynomial है ये तो आप लोगों को पता है, just a series of terms. ठीक है, जो इस these are the operators, either it can be plus, either it can be minus. Okay, this is also a polynomial. Okay, it is not always that it should be plus sign. Okay, there can be a negative sign also, plus sign भी हो सकता है, minus sign भी हो सकता है. Okay, you have to take care. The important points which you should know about that, what are not polynomials. Polynomials कौन कौन से terms नहीं होंगे? 1 upon x square plus x plus 3. x square plus, what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? I can write like this. See, this is a polynomial. If it is written alone in the numerator x square plus x plus 3, then definitely this is a polynomial. But now it is present in denominator, and already you have studied indices. Okay, laws of indices. How I can write this one? If I will bring this one to numerator, you will get the minus sign in the power. You will get the minus sign in the power. Okay, so now again what we have, the power, negative sign. You have to remember, for a polynomial the power cannot be in minus, the power cannot be a negative. Okay, so this is not a polynomial, so that is why this is also not a polynomial. This is the first case which you have to remember, that the polynomial, the terms should not present in the denominator. The polynomial terms should not be present at the denominator. This is the first point. Second point which you have to remember, that is okay, this is a term, x square is a term, 7 is a constant, ये भी एक term है. But what is this third one? Root x. Root x means if you will remove root, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? ठीक है, जब भी अपन रूट हटाते हैं, अगर ठीक है कोई भी टर्म से, अगर अपन वेरिएबल से, या अब जब भी अपन रूट को रिप्लेस करेंगे, इफ यू रिप्लेस रूट इट बिकम्स 1/2. सो 1/2 इज अ फ्रैक्शन. अगेन वी शुड रिमेंबर दैट द वेरिएबल शुड नॉट हैव द पावर एज एनी फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, वेरिएबल्स डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होगा, फ्रैक्शन में नहीं होगा, और वेरिएबल्स का पावर जो है दैट विल ऑल्सो नॉट बी इन फ्रैक्शन. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट ए polynomial. Okay, so these two most important things which you have to remember. Okay, that it should not be present at the denominator and the power should not be negative. Only that case they are not polynomial, in other cases they are polynomials. We will start with the addition of polynomial. I have taken two examples. First we will solve this one. Here you can see x plus 3 plus x plus 4. First we will open the bracket. So x plus 3 plus, this is the first step, we have to remove the bracket and plus sign is there, so there will be no sign change in the second bracket. अगर second वाले जो भी सेट्स होंगे जो कि ब्रैकेट में अगर प्रेजेंट होंगे, उसके सामने अगर प्लस का साइन है तो अंदर में देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन साइन, अंदर में कोई भी साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू रिमूव द ब्रैकेट. सेकंड स्टेप टू अरेंज द लाइक टर्म्स. लाइक टर्म्स मीन्स द सिमिलर टर्म्स. x and x both are similar, we will write together. We sign which operation is that? Plus. So x plus x. What are left? 3 and 4 both are numbers, they are also like terms. Plus 3 plus 4, x plus x 2x, 3 plus 4 that is 7, and these two are unlike terms. ये x वाला टर्म है, ये कांस्टेंट वाला टर्म है, तो ये दोनों आपस में प्लस होंगे नहीं. दिस इज द final answer. Okay, I have taken one more example here with the, I have taken here some powers. Okay, here also plus sign is there, so directly we can open the bracket. There will be no change in sign, sign में कोई change नहीं होगा. Okay, directly we can open. ठीक है, प्लस है तो डरने का कोई बात नहीं. It is very easy. In case of minus only, you have to take care of sign. Okay, in the plus, no need to take any tension. Directly we can open the bracket. So what we will do? X square plus x plus 1 plus x square plus 2x plus 3. We have completed our first step. Second step, arrange the like terms. x square plus x square. जो साइन है उसी साइन के साथ उसको अरेंज करना है. x and 2x are like terms, plus x plus 2x. क्या क्या बच गया? 1 3 plus 1 plus 3 बच गए. x square plus x square 2x square, x plus 2x 3x, 1 plus 3 4. They all the terms are different, they are not like terms, so ये आगे और ऐड नहीं होगा. So this is our final answer. Okay.